Hey there! If you're considering hopping on the YouTube bandwagon but haven't gotten started because you don't want to show your face, or maybe you don't want to record your voice or don't know how to write a script, well, I've got the perfect money-making idea for you. No, this isn't YouTube automation because we already taught you about that in one of our older videos. I'll leave a link for that down below. The strategy we'll be talking about today is even easier, and there are hardly any tutorials for this. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a relaxation music channel that can make you a ton of money online. You need to put in the work, like maybe look for the music, look for the videos and images that you can use, do a little bit of video editing, but don't let that scare you because I'm going to show you where you can find everything that you'll need, and everything will be for free. You don't need to spend a dime on this, and you can just put it all together. We can do that step by step in this video, okay? So let's take a look at some examples first. Here's a channel called Meditation Relax Music, and as you can see, it has 2.45 million subscribers. And if you check its popular videos, it has some that have gotten 54 million views, 110 million views, and 111 million views. Nice. What about this other one, The Soul of Wind? It has 2.05 million subscribers and has videos with up to 18 million views. Not bad either. What about, let's try one last one. Okay, here's yet another channel doing this called Meditative Mind. And it's huge too, with 4.13 million subscribers. And as you can see, its top videos have gotten 32 million views, 28 million views, etc. You get the idea, right? Okay, so let's go on ahead to socialblade.com for fun. I just want to see how much these guys are making each month. Okay, so let's try the first channel. Meditation Relax Music receives an estimated monthly earnings between 1.7 to 22.7 US dollars each month. That's 1,000 US dollars each month. Okay, let's try the other one. The Soul of Wind receives an estimated 4.2 up to a whopping 66.4 thousand US dollars each month. And the last channel, The Meditative Mind, well, it receives 4.1 up to 65.8 thousand US dollars each month. Wow, all these channels are really doing so well, and they're just using this extremely simple idea. So if that got you pumped, let's get started on the tutorial already. Step 1, the first thing you want to do is download free stock footage. I have two sites that you can choose from. These are Pexels.com and Pixabay.com. So as you can see, the images and videos here are completely free to use. You don't have to spend a dime on them. So just pick a theme and download photos and videos that you might want to use in your video. For example, since we're doing relaxing music, let's try and search for related images. So to me, that would be an open field. So let me type that up on the search bar. Okay, see here, these would do great in a relaxation video. Okay, let's try something else. In case you don't want to go for a field, you can try, what about beach? All right, these would work great too. So just click on download and you'll be able to use these videos and pictures for absolutely free without having to pay a single cent on them. Okay, so yeah, download as much as you want or as much as you can because I'll tell you later why, but we'll want to make the video a little bit longer. Yeah, so just stitch them together and just download what you can. All right? And when you're done with that, you can proceed to step 2. Because now that you have your footage, the next thing that you'll want to do is to look for music that you can use also for free. Because copyright strikes on YouTube are a no-no, we want to make sure you avoid that. In order to access music that you can use, the best place to go would also be YouTube. So you want to open your YouTube account. So let's pick one out right now so I can show you how easy that is to do. So like I told you, on your YouTube page, just go to YouTube Studio and then scroll down on the left over here until you see Audio Library. What this is a collection of free audio files, sound effects, music, and you can use these in your video for free. So because we're doing a relaxation music kind of channel, let's filter out the kind of music that we want included in the selection. So please head on over to Mood and choose calm or even inspirational. That should work. And then before choosing a song to download, you'll want to go to attribution and make sure you choose attribution not required. This is really important, guys. Please don't skip this step because we don't want any copyright strikes from YouTube. Okay, so when you do this, completely free music in your genre of choice will be filtered out for you just like that. So let's play a few of the songs that, have been filtered out for us. As you can hear, these sound really good and will work well for a relaxation meditation kind of video. So to download, you'll just click this download arrow button on the right side and it will be downloaded to your device. I recommend that you download more than one song because when people look for these kinds of meditation or sleep videos, they kind of just leave it on the background. So you'll want to make it longer to keep people on your channel for a longer period of time too. Remember that the longer they watch, the more ads you can put in, which can increase the money you can generate from the videos. Okay, another tip though, please pay close attention. Since we're a relaxation and meditation music channel, you don't want ads playing in the middle of the user's experience because that will probably turn your listeners off and make them look for other videos to listen to or to watch. Instead, what you want to do is place your ads at the beginning and the end of the video. And you can also even add little banner ads on the bottom of the screen, just so you don't disturb the whole user experience. Step number 3. Now that you have your stock footage, your free music, it's time to combine everything together to create the video that you'll be publishing on YouTube. If you don't have a video editor available, that's okay, don't worry about it because there are 3 completely free software options that you can use. Okay, this first one I'll be recommending is called OpenShot. You can try that one out by downloading it here on openshot.org. You can also try this other one called HitFilm Express, which you can find on fxhome.com/hitfilm-express. Or if you don't want to download anything, you could also go with a cloud-based video editor called Clidio.com. All of these 3 software should work fine. They're pretty user-friendly. And you can use either of them to make your relaxation and meditation video. So to show you how easy that is again, let's create a video right now. Okay, so let's open this and you'll want to click on Video Maker and add all of your stock videos or photos over here. So when you see them, you can edit them a little if you want to. There are options here that you can use to say crop your video or maybe zoom in on a particular part of the image. And after that, you can select the image duration depending on how long you want each photo to appear on screen. And also consider how many photos or videos you were able to download and compile for this. Okay, when you have that ready, the last step would be to click on Add Audio so you can add your free music in. You can time it so there are no gaps at the start and the viewer will be able to listen to the music and look at those relaxing images straight away. There you have it. Let's try and play this right now. Et voila! Despite how simple this was to do, it looks just like the ones I showed you earlier. Meditative Mind, we're out here to get you. We literally finished this video in around a minute. And just in case your video is on the short side, you can even loop it to make it longer. If you're satisfied with your work, then go ahead, download it, and you can upload the same file to YouTube straight away. But before you publish it, I wanted to give you one last pro tip, and that's to make sure that you credit all of your sources to avoid any copyright strikes or complaints. Okay, so make sure you do that. And I do hope you can get started on this straight away. And comment down below to let us know if you have any questions so we can all help each other out in making money online and reaching financial freedom. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share our channel with your family and friends because it really does keep us going. We have a ton of other money-making ideas for you, so check them out. We'll leave some for you on the description box below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and signing off until the next one.